Hi, this is Cindy from Parttimepermies.
And Michael.
And last weekend we were in North Carolina. You want to explain what we were doing in North Carolina?
Well, we had an opportunity to go down to visit Justin Rhodes and family and Abundant Permaculture to assist with their beef butchery class.
Yeah. So you were actually teaching the class.
Yes.
The entire weekend. And we'll show you a montage of kind of overview of what was going on, combination of photos and video clips right here, but stick around to the end because we also have a surprise for you. Hey Ben, you want to say hi to Parttimepermies?
Hi Cindy of Parttimepermies. How are you on this frigid morning?
It's not that cold.
That's not that cold.
And you're standing by stuff that smells good.
Oh, this smells amazing. Like we just ate breakfast and I'm getting hungry. This smells so good.
So you got put in charge of the stock.
Well,
for a short term.
I'm kind of just something to do. Look, I'm not going to argue about this job.
No.
This
Nice.
smells amazing. Look at the fat that's on the top of this already.
Oh wow. That is going to be so tasty.
Oh.
The liver, we just seared medium rare-ish. Got some bacon, some sauteed onions, a drop of Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper. Real simple cast iron, little sear on it. These are the heart burgers, so 50-50 blend ground heart, double ground on a 1/4 inch die, so a kind of a larger grind. And it's 50-50 with our burger that we ground, and so that should be just really meaty. I had just a little nibble, and it's not strong, it's meaty, it's really good. So yeah, this is for us to enjoy, and the rest of it's for you guys to enjoy.
So we do have a little surprise for you because back in July when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we did a giveaway and we said that once we hit our goal of 1,500 subscribers, we would do another giveaway. Well, since coming back from North Carolina, we actually doubled our subscribership from about 1,300 to 2,600. So we flew past that 1,500 goal. So we would like to give a big thanks to everybody who's been with us as well as those who have newly subscribed to our channel. So what we decided to do was another giveaway, and this time, would you like to show them what we're going to give them this time?
Sure. So this is something that is just coming out of production. It is a Homestead Beef Butchery Workshop booklet, and I created a about 50 to 60 page guide, on homestead butchering. So just so you know, this is designed for somebody that either raises and wants to consider doing some part of the fabrication or full processing from beginning to end on their property, wants to buy product of specialty or off of a farm, a family or friend's farm, or just from a local meat purveyor and choose what they have, and then be able to break it down into cuts and fully utilize it. So what we're teaching is not commercial butchery. We're teaching homestead butchery. We're teaching practical, usable, and modifiable techniques that you can get what you want and you can know exactly what's needed. For example, we processed a little over 500 pounds of beef from whole carcass hanging weight and dry aged, so there's a little trimming on that. So taking out just the things we felt from trim were not going to be usable in any way at all other than like a compost situation. We had under 15 pounds of total waste go to the garbage or go to a deep composting, meat composting situation. Everything else from fat to bones to all meat products was fully utilized at least once, if not twice. And so this packet discusses meat and the components of meat, knives, sharpening knives, butchery techniques, lots of other information that gives you tools to dig into it when you find it necessary, and a pretty big resource of authoritative books. So this packet, if you have interest in it, is focused on beef.
Yep.
A lot of it could be used for any type of protein, butchery.
And what we'll also do is link the video, which you could get the digital workshop from Justin Rhodes. We'll put an affiliate link in the description here below. So if you're interested in seeing the entire workshop by video, you can always go to that link and purchase the video. It should be in the next week or two when that's released.
We designed it on a farm. We set the stage between a barn and a kitchen setup and built all the resources around it and tools.
Yep.
And so it is real life, real time, edited. And so if you like this, if you like the videos that Justin Rhodes put up, there's 2 of them on a montage, 4-minute montage of the process, and then tasting some of the organ meats. If any of these things are interesting, then you may want to also go look towards that video if you're getting serious about doing it, or some of the classes that are coming up either with him or around your local area.
We'll link that in the description below, where you can find or pre-order that digital version of the beef butchery workshop that you led all that weekend. There will be other workshops to come. Stay tuned for that. We'll give you more information on that later. What you need to do for the giveaway for this booklet that goes over some of those basics that were covered in the workshop is you're going to need to make a comment below, write a comment below, and list on there your favorite video that you've seen of ours. Now, that could be, we realize some of you guys are new, that could be recent videos, things you've just started watching, or videos from a long time ago. So you can link up to 5 videos of ours that are your favorites.
Don't have to be related to meat. They can be related to anything that took place.
Anything we're doing. And they each have to be in the separate comment, because what we will do is on our live show on Sunday night, that will be January 20th, we'll do a live drawing at that live show. So you'll want to be there on Sunday night. We will give you the full week to contact us if you are the winner. And if you don't contact us within the next week, we will do a redrawing the following week.
So even if you aren't present, although it'd be great to be present, because you know what, we answer questions, we answer all kinds of food questions. So if you have specific questions or things that you want, discussions related to this project or others, we try and answer them right there live. So if you can't make it live, that's fine. Go see the replay and get back to us within a week and we'll get it mailed out to you.
Yeah, so that will be the live drawing on Sunday, the January 20th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do a live show every week at 9 p.m. on Sunday nights. That's Eastern Standard Time, of course. So you could join us any week, but we will be doing that drawing on the 20th. So please join us. If you can't make that show, make sure you watch the replay and get back to us if you end up being the winner. So good luck to everybody. We will see you at our next live show or our next video.